how to protect yourself from bank scams, and what to check before joining any bank. Firstly, you will need to be alert to common scams. Common scams include phishing calls and emails, fake websites and apps, and ATM skimming. And you will also need to monitor account regularly and report suspicious activity immediately. Along with that, you will also need to use a strong unique password for online banking. Make sure that you enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Also, avoid logging in on public Wi Fi or shared devices. Ensure that your bank app and device OS is updated. Regularly check bank statements and notifications. Banks never ask for your password, PIN, or full OTP through call or emails. If unsure, contact your bank directly using the number on the official website or card. It's really important that you verify that you're communicating with the bank and not scammers. Avoid any links in emails or SMS claiming urgent action. Type the bank URL manually. That's all for today. Thank you.